Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add template on CapCut. So guys, at first tap on template. So guys, as you can see, there's a lot of templates to choose from. So I'm gonna use these templates for this tutorial. Then tap on use template. Now select the pictures you want to be in this video. Then tap on preview. And guys, it's just gonna automatically put your pictures in the video template. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.